And in vitro fertilization treatments can resume in Alabama after the governor signed a new bill into law last night. That law gives civil and criminal immunity to IVF clinics and patients after the state Supreme Court ruled that embryos are children. But the law does not address the issue of personhood at the heart of that ruling. ABC's Rena Roy joins me now for more on that. Rena, the governor's calling this law a short-term fix to help families proceed with these treatments.
Right.
So how are families and IVF doctors reacting to this?
Well, look, the bottom line here, Diane, is that a lot of families, they are very relieved that they can now resume their IVF processes across the state. You know, some clinics, as you said, restarting immediately IVF treatments after that 2-week pause because they now have the legal cover to do so. Doctors and patients, as you said, given that immunity now. So in that sense, it is definitely helpful for so many women who are trying to have children out there. You know, one woman, she's 44 years old. She says she does not have time to waste. So the timeline of all of this was very crucial for her. And another said that it was an agonizing 2 weeks not knowing what would be next for her. But look, on the other side of this, it really doesn't answer that core question if frozen embryos should be considered children or not. So we'll really have to see how this all plays out, you know, long term here.
Now, Alabama's governor says that there's still more work to come on IVF and that this rhetoric is going to heat up heading into the November election. So what are you watching for there? What comes next?
Well, look, this is no doubt top of mind for so many voters right now. In fact, earlier this week on Super Tuesday, voters in Alabama at the polls, they were bringing up women's reproductive rights as a main motivating factor in how they were voting. So this is clearly a key issue, and the governor knows that, and advocates know that. They are pushing back against the Supreme Court decision. They are saying that they will keep fighting for a longer-term fix, likely in the form of a constitutional amendment. And Governor Kay Ivey, she has said flat out, Alabama supports growing families through IVF, really acknowledging that there is a lot more work to do here.
All right, ABC's Rena Roy, thank you.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.